As one of the official candidates, what is your role in joining this pageant? Again, as one of the official candidates, what is your role in joining this pageant?
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. My role in joining this pageant is to do and give the best that I can to represent one of the excellent Purok here in the Barangay Kalasungay, the Purok 6, who give their trust and support for me, and also to build my self-confidence to influence other young people like me to make a difference in their life. Just like what the Bible says in the 1 Timothy verse 4-12, don't let anyone look down you because you are young, but set yourself and set an example for the believers in truth, purity, in love, and in faith. And also to be involved in the humanitarian work of the Barangay Kalasungay, which is to serve the community. And that will be all. Thank you.